hippity hop. Books! Hi little bunbuns, welcome to Little Bunny's workshop. Since New Year is just around the corner and due to COVID, it's time for home party. Here I am with an easy recipe of coconut ladoos. It hardly takes 10 minutes. So, are you ready? Let's get started. But before we get started, let's go through some hygiene rules. 1. Wash your hands properly with soap. 2. If you have long hair like me, tie a bun. Or if you have short hair, then make sure you tie a tight pony. Hygiene rules are important because you don't want to serve a hair in the coconut ladoos. So, here are the ingredients we will need. Coconut powder, grated coconut, brown sugar, dry fruit powder and ghee. And also some milk. So let's get cooking. First, let's put some coconut powder. Careful of the chocolate. The next ingredient is brown sugar. The next ingredient is milk.
Now pause.
So, did your hair fall into your bowl? I hope not. So our next ingredient is 2 teaspoons of ghee. There we go. And mix. Wow, it's turning like cookie dough. Voila! And now let's put a final ingredient, the dry fruit powder. And mix it well till you get your dough hard enough to start molding. Wiggle, 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 wiggle your hips. Wiggle, wiggle. Now dough is ready. Now it's time to make them ladoos. So let me go get a plate. Oh. Are you ready to get a bit messy? I hope you are. So grab a scoop up some dough. Sure it's round as a ball. Whoops, we got our dough. And now we roll it in the grained coconut. Here's my Naria Ladoo. Let's have a taste. It is very good. So, we are going to make lots of them. So guys, my ladoos are ready. Make it by yourself. But don't start hogging in the kitchen by yourself. Ask an adult to help you. Who wants to eat a ladoo? Nope, not you. All for me. Do make sure to like, subscribe and share. And if you want more easy recipes, just let me know on Instagram and Facebook. Bye everyone. Happy New Year. Bonani. Adios. Bye. Bye bye. Now I'm gonna eat all these ladoos myself.